If you are like many other compliance professionals today, you are probably aware of the recently published ISO 37001 Standard on Bribery, but you may not yet have a firm grasp on its full implications. For context, let's first take a look at how it was developed. The standard was developed through a multi-stakeholder, consensus-based process. It included input from 56 country delegations, which were made up of legal, compliance, and audit professionals from various industries, as well as from NGOs and government agencies. The guiding principle was to standardize leading anti-bribery practices, taking into account the variety of organizations that might use the standard, from small to large, sophisticated to much less so. An additional objective was to ensure a standard that could be used globally and did not favor one legal or regulatory framework over another. With the standard now in place, it will likely have some impact on your organization in the future. As a compliance professional, here are 5 key things you should know about the standard and its adoption. 1. It is broad. The standard addresses bribery of government officials and commercial bribery, both inbound and outbound, and whether done directly or indirectly by or through a third party. 2. It is a requirement standard, which means organizations or a part of an organization can obtain certification from third parties that their anti-bribery management systems conform. 3. It can be used simply as guidance to benchmark, assess, and improve an anti-bribery program. 4 follows on that point. Certification is, of course, voluntary. However, in the future, governments may choose to require ISO 37001 certification for public contracting, as Peru has indicated it intends to do. 5. Several large multinational companies have already achieved certification. In closing, ISO 37001 can be a useful tool to the organization that seeks to ensure its anti-bribery program meets international norms.